Good morning. This is Dre with Grind Major Day Trading, and I'm grateful that you are checking out my recap today. If this is your first time watching my recap, I am a self-taught day trader, and my specialty is out of the money or low risk spread contracts. And my goal is to teach as many of you aspiring or active day traders. I want to teach as many of you as possible to not only become consistently profitable, but do it using as little capital as possible. And as you know, we like to use Thinkorswim for our charts and place our trades on Nadex. So, and as always, I'll remind you to go over to grindmajordaytrading.com. You have 2 days left to get enrolled in the Create Your Paradise, 3 days left to enroll in the Create Your Paradise 10-week training program, where I personally take you from being a novice trader to giving you the technical and emotional skills to become a consistently profitable trader. And we bring all those pieces together at the end of those 10 weeks. And it's all online, it's all recorded. So you can actually enroll in this course, take the quizzes, material, and all of those things, and still not miss a beat, even if you're not able to attend the live session. So don't feel like you'd be missing anything. You have access to all of the information. All right. And like I always do every day, I'll let you know what I let my trade plan subscribers and my coaching clients know the night before as far as a trade plan, so they could be prepared for the upcoming market. So last night, I let everyone know that we would be going to the short side if we got price holding below 29.92, and we would probably find support around that 29.80 area. And I also let them know that we'd be going long if we get price holding above 29.93, and we would find some resistance around 3,000 to 3,005. And resistance, if we break resistance and we get price holding above 3,005, we don't have a whole lot of resistance to hold price down. So we could definitely look for price to go considerably higher. So that actually is exactly what happened. And for you to see that, we're going to have to go back to yesterday. So yesterday, we had a nice position where we were able to close out and profit. But more importantly, as you can see, as the day went on, price continued to drift higher. And we actually ended up closing the day at the 3,002, 3,003 level. So overnight, almost not necessarily immediately, but a few hours after market close, we got a sharp spike to the upside, and that took us all the way up to 30.20. Now remember, this is during the London session when we normally have low volume, so a move like that is to more than likely shift you to another zone that they're trying to trade in. And you can see that's exactly what happened as we scroll over. Before we scroll farther, you can see my sell entry at 9 p.m. last night. I got a $14 per contract entry. I took 2 trades today, and this is my first one. So I put this on last night with the contract to expire at 4:15 today. So as you can see, price held in a fairly tight range for an amount of time, but it was drifting to the downside, which is what I wanted. And I woke up in profit. So I'm going about my morning routine, and I see that we're getting even more of an even push to the downside. And I was over 100% return at this point. And this is actually a great point to highlight, because this is what I'm always telling you. You have to follow your plan, because greed will kill you every single time. I was greedy at this point. I expected a drop. I wanted a drop lower. I had a plan to get out at the 29.93 level. So it literally, during this 5 or 10 minutes, I made the decision to kind of take my profit early, because we were showing some weakness. And in that matter of seconds, price shot up against me. And I went from being over 100% in profit to being around the same amount negative. So we ran up here to resistance at 30.20, and we got a drop. And I have a rule that I teach you all to get out at a 50% loss, if at all possible, no matter what is going on. And that's what took place here. So I actually started my morning with a $7 loss. Remember, we got in at $14 per contract. I had to get out at $7 per contract. So that is a $7 loss. So that's how the morning started. Now, this recap is pretty cool because most people don't like to show their losses. And not only do I not mind showing my losses, I look at it as an opportunity to show you the real side of this business. People like to show you the really quick trades, the fast trades, make it look really sexy, and all of that's fine. But, you know, I want to show you what it really looks like when you do this day to day. So I took a $7 loss, and then I had to be patient. And I waited for price to come back up close as possible to 30.20 because I was very confident that, you know, again, looking at history, we were having a hard time breaking that level. And I legitimately was confident that we were going to get at least one more drop to the downside. So I patiently waited. I got a second entry at 10.36, and I got in at $20 per contract. And that was also a daily position to expire at 4:15. And shortly after my entry, 5, 10, 15 to 20 minutes after I got that second entry, we got a drastic drop to the downside. It happened within 5 minutes, very fast, but I had my take profit order set because I already knew that since I missed my opportunity to get out in profit on the first drop to the 3,000 area, if we got it again, no matter what happened, that was going to be my exit. And that's exactly what I did. And I knew that before I got into my second entry. That's very important. You have to know where you're going to get out before you get in. So I took my planned exit. Again, that entry was $20 per contract. We got over a 100% return with an exit price of $55 per contract. It gives me a $35 profit per contract. So you subtract the $70 from that, and that leaves me with what? $28 profit for the day. So not only was I able to recover my loss, but I was able to gain a profit as well. And that second trade took me roughly 15 minutes. So the first one took all night. I didn't close it until this morning. And the last one took 15 minutes, and that's it. I'm done for the day. And I closed that position at 10:51. So well before noon. Now I'm about to go on with my day, get ready for the training course that we're kicking off on Monday. So make sure you go over to Grind Major Day Trading to get enrolled in that. And as far as the recap goes, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some really great notes. If you didn't, play it back. And I will see you all tomorrow. All right. Have a great, productive, and profitable Thursday. Talk to you later. Peace.